everyone! Today we are going to make a model of a rocket to go to space. But before starting, I want to ask a question to you. Have you ever noticed what happened when you let the air out of the balloon? The air goes one way and the balloon moves the opposite direction. Rockets works in the same way. Its exhaust gases coming out of the engine nozzles at high speed and push the rocket forward. You learned something about working principle of rockets. Now, if you are ready, we can start designing our model. But before starting, there are two rules that I have to apply. First of all, I have to tidy my hair up. After that, I have to put my goggles on. Now, we are ready to start. As you see, all the materials that we need for this model are available in our kit. These are wooden cylinders, guides, and wings for our rocket. Before starting, I want to show the difference between two sides of cylinder. As you see, one of the sides has a circle and the other one has square on it. While putting the cylinder onto the lathe, the side which has square on will fit on that point and the other side will fit on that point. After placing the cylinder, you can lock it by turning lathe's arm on clockwise. To unlock the cylinder, you should turn lathe's arm on counterclockwise. When you unlock the cylinder, you can take it out easily. As you see, there is an arrow on the shaper pen. This arrow should always point up. Shaper pen should be perpendicular to the metal part. While shaping our cylinders, movements should be short. We will touch and pull back. We will touch and pull back. We will shape our cylinders with these short movements. Before start shaping our first cylinder, we should draw reference lines for ourselves. They will help us while we are shaping the cylinder. Now, if you are ready, we can start designing our model. At the end of the shaping process, you will see little particles on the surface. To clean particles, we will use sandpaper. As you see, our surface is more smooth now. We can check it with our guide. As you see, it fits perfectly. Now we can continue with second cylinder. Before shaping our second cylinder, we should draw reference lines. Reference lines helps us to define start point and end points. If you are ready, we can start now. As you see, there is an end point on the guide. That means while we are shaping second and third cylinders, we should break them on that point. So we will make it thinner and thinner. At the end of the process, you will see how I break it. But before that, I should clean the surface with the sandpaper. Now it's time to break our cylinder. As you see, it broke like this. We can clean that surface with sandpaper. And we will repeat same process for third one. At the beginning of shaping process, you know we designed first one and second one. We repeat the same process for third one. At the end of the shaping, you will see second and third cylinders will fit on the guide like this. Our shaping process is finished. Now it's time to clean our lathe. We will use vacuum cleaner for cleaning our lathe. Finally, we have three shaped cylinders, and this is our main part of body, and we will stick the sub parts on the main part. While we are sticking them together, we will use hot glue. We will put a little bit hot glue here. And we will place it on the main part. Now it's time to stick the other one, and we will use a little bit hot glue again. And our body part is ready, and we have three wings to put on the body. You can place them however you want. We will use hot glue, and we will stick second one. And finally, third one. As you see, our rocket model is ready to go to space. Today, we built our rocket model to go to space. Maybe one day we can travel from Earth to another planet. See you soon!